To cancel the ACCA exam, log into my ACCA portal using your login credentials. Now, click on Book an exam in the dashboard screen. Select the paper you wish to cancel by clicking on Amend button nearby. Now, click on Cancel Exam. After clicking Cancel, you will receive an email from ACCA regarding cancellation confirmation. Now, your amount would be credited back to your ACCA account, and this amount can be used for next exam. The last date for the cancellation of June 2025 exam without giving any documents is 28th April 2025. So please note down this date and never miss an update from JLMM ACC Academy.